How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Metamask on PC. Now, to be able to do that, just make sure you are logged into your Bitget exchange account. Now head over to Icon Wallet. Now click on Assets Overview. And now after that, from the sidebar, click on Spots. Now go and click on Withdrawal. And now make sure you select the USDT from here and select the on-chain the option. Now from the network, make sure to select the network that you want. Now for this, I will just select the network that is compatible with Metamask. For this, I will select the AVI or MEXC, as you can see. Now go to your Metamask, and now after that, as you can see, go and search for the USDT, or just click on the receive from here. And now as you can see, copy the address. So after you copy it, now just go back and now paste the address from here and click on next. Now as you can see here, you can enter how much of USDT you want to send. So this is how much you will pay for fees, and this is how much you will receive on Metamask wallet. So this is how to transfer USDT from the Bitget to Metamask on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.